Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? And welcome back to the new track. We've got the Ginetta G60 on the track. And looking over the last number of tracks, we've seen that this is a stand-out track fans' favourite, Albert. Everyone loves this car. Let's go, let's drive! And he's off into the first R1 hairpin corner. Up a slope and around the corner into Gambon. We got Gambon there, coming back down the side through. Long straight with a curve into the first, the second and the third drift circle there on this track. Track 77. Don't tell anyone, it's the year the track director was born. Fabulous year. Sadly the year Elvis died, but we'll move on from that into the drive. R1 corner, nearly got a drift there. We're going to take it around Gambon. We're just warming up the Ginetta G60, but I can feel this car wants to unleash. This car wants to go faster than it's been before, and this track is going to facilitate and accommodate that. Right, let's start stepping it up then, Albert. See what we got. See if we can get some drift on this one. Yeah, drift, we got it! Big drift round the circle. Check it out, rewind it, and look at that again. That was amazing. Let's do it again. Whoa, we got it! Get in there, Albert. Come on, track fans. Right then, let's go. Fantastic race on the Ginetta G60. In the drift zone again. Literally on fire. On fire, Ginetta. Come on, give it up. Right then, let's bring it round. Oh, a little bit of wobble there. Onto our last lap, track fans. Last lap, Albert. Because I've got to take it down and get that garage door back in commission. Oh, it's tricky. Here we go. Well done. Nice one, Ginetta G60. See you later, Albert. Take care, track fans.